Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a really neat trailer, sold it new. It's a 2023 8308 NS, so 8308 no slide. It is a Stampede. It is a Merhow Stampede, 8308 NS. It is white in color. It does have a scratch dent kind of here in the nose, so I want to point that out. It is a one owner. It is lightly used, just has a few cosmetic flaws. Hydraulic jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, lockable battery box, spare and jiffy jack. This trailer, as you can see my sticker, it was sold here. White in color with graphics. It does have an escape door with a flip up step, 3 drop down windows with bars, aluminum wheels. It does have the graphics on the white. It's a great size. It's a 22-foot box, so it's a great size. Has a load light package, load lights all the way around with switches. One on this side, one on the other side, and one on the rear. There are a few scratches. It looks like tree scratches. They kind of go all the way down the trailer. I like to point those out. I do think those will buff out. We just don't do that here. They're very faint, but I do see them, so I want to point those out. I don't know if you can see those in the video. You can kind of see them right there above that window. Those are the only things that I noticed on that trailer. Looks like the bottom of this door does have some scratch. Well, they're not scratches. It's like black. And again, that may buff out with a, we'll try that. I mean, it may buff out with a polisher or something along those lines. It has a brush box blanket bar. It does have an added rear ramp. 3-tier saddle rack. We just washed this trailer, so it's going to be wet. So it does have the ramp. Bridle hooks. It's got LED lights on the inside. Stepping up in the horse box. Fully lined and insulated roof vents, airflow padded dividers. Those dividers are in great shape. There's going to be a little bit of a scuff here on the bottom of the lower divider. Empty weight of this trailer is 8403. Walk-through door. Collapsible rear tack. I'm not sure if I said that. Does have the mangers. Okay, let's look at this side of the trailer. I don't recall anything on this side of the trailer. It was all on the driver's side. Yeah, this side of the trailer looks good to me. I don't see any blemishes, any dents, any scratches, or anything like that. Power awning, flip up step at the LQ door. It does have the upgraded, I need to go around and show you a couple other things on the other side. It does have the upgraded 10-gallon hot water heater. 110 outlet on this side, inside outside speakers. It does have a onboard water tank. Those are about 40 gallon. I get asked that a lot. That's usually atypically the amount that's on these living quarters. This does have the Sandy wash option, so you can actually flush out your black tank. I wanted to kind of go back and point that out. All right, stepping up in the LQ. Again, it is an 8-foot short wall. Love the colors in this particular trailer. Super pretty. So you'll see the kitchen here to the back. It's got a small fridge, single stainless sink, 2-burner glass top stove. This does have the upgraded convection microwave. Cabinets all the way across the top. It does have the flip out counter for extra counter space and or workspace. That couch does make a bed. and does also have the storage all the way across the bottom of the deck. It is a ducted AC, propane furnace. It's got the steps up to the bed. Cabinets back in that, behind those two pillows. You can put a TV. It does have the TV hookup here in the corner. Big bed area, very big, very open and spacious. And that couch does make a bed. Looking down the steps, your TV is here. You can see that TV from the bed. Got a nice closet here. Hanging closet right when you walk in the door. The walls are kind of a chocolate color. Lighting's not so great in here with the sun coming through. Okay, bathroom's a good size. It's got the rounded shower, sink and vanity. Walk-through door. Has a pocket bathroom door. It does have a nice big deep hanging closet behind the toilet. Fantastic fan. Of course, walk-through door. Good size bathroom for an 8-foot short wall. And it's not the little tiny sink that you can't get your shoulders in. So that's nice. And it does have the big shower versus the smaller one that we had in the other 8-foot short wall. That is the layout we don't have anymore. So this is the newer layout. It's an 8308 Stampede 2023 Merhow, one owner. Okay, guys. So nice size trailer, in an 8 wide, not too big. Gets everything you need. Has a big shower, sink and vanity that you can actually use. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks, guys.